Hi, my name is Adrainana Brown, and today I would like to explain to you how OneNote is a great use of technology in classrooms, in everyday life, or at work. I often use OneNote at work. It's a very good resource for me to be able to copy information and keep it into one location, a central location for me to be able to quickly pull up. Um, for my job, I need a lot of procedures and policies to make sure that I'm doing my job correctly. So I can save a lot of information in OneNote, and it can actually lead to I can put links in OneNote where I can just directly click on the link. And sometimes if I copy a policy or procedure, it automatically puts the link from the copy of the page that I was on. So OneNote is a very, very good resource to use. It's fairly simple to use. So here we go. So you need to go to your home or start button and find out where your OneNote is located. Mine is located right here. Okay. It takes a few minutes to pull up. That's why I went ahead and had it already pulled up. These are called sections right here. You can add as many sections as you would like. This first one happens to has my name on it, and it explains how to bake a sweet potato pie. Okay, and if I wanted to add another page to this, all I have to do is come down here, add a page, and I can title this one "How to Bake an Apple Pie." If I wanted to keep recipes, this would be a good way to save it, because you can always send this recipe or this notebook or section to your phone. You can send it to your peers, your neighbors. It's very versatile. So anyway, I can do that. I can insert pictures. So you just go up to insert, you go to pictures, and if you want to do it from your file that you've already saved on your computer, or from a camera, your camera that you can upload the document, um, or you can do online pictures. Okay, now all you do is click on it. Well, it's supposed to come up. I don't know why that one didn't, but let's try another one. There we go. So that's a good way to be able to save pictures fast, you can kind of know what is in this section. If you want to start something fresh and you want to start a new section, all you have to do is come down here to the lower left, add section, name it, um, school, or we can say math. Misspelled. Okay. And if I decided that I wanted to rename the section, all you have to do is right click it, rename section, and we'll say this is English. And I can start adding pages to it. Come down here, you can add as many pages as you like. It's a really great resource to be able to, let's just type something in. You can link it. You can link this particular section to something else that you want to send out. You can add tables to it. You can add attachments. It's a really great tool to be able to use to be able to store information for you for later use. You can color code it. You can change the color on it. You can right click it. Um, you can move it. You can actually move the sections up or down if you wanted it to be in a certain order. You can actually delete a section if you want to. A lot of the stuff can be done by right clicking it, and here's where you can copy a link to the section, so that you can easy access to be able to get to it and store information. So this is a great tool to be able to use in classrooms, as I said, in your everyday life. Like I said, I use it on my job a lot because it's really easy for me to be able to come to this OneNote, open it up, and click on whatever I need to find and pull it up right then. So that concludes it, and I hope that you will find that OneNote is a great tool as well. You should really try it out. Thank you.